चलना तो एक बार चेक कर लो ऐसी बात है स्टॉप
ओह चल रहा है
पीछे के जाके पीछे
ओह
फोन खुल गई है
यू स्टार्ट प्रशांत यू स्टार्ट होल्ड ऑन प्रशांत
टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम से
okay so first of all I apologize I've not been able to participate as much in the later half of the season because of my studies and other commitments.
कहाँ पढ़ोगे कौन सा कमेटी बड़ा होगा बड़ा है
So between family, cricket, studies and work, I have to sacrifice one. So that was
Studies. That's good choice.
Alright, so this is the agenda. So we'll go through the 2013 finance, whatever we spent, collected, tennis ball tournament, how much we donated, etc. And then we'll talk about the committees who work behind the scene to make all or everything happen. So there were a lot of people who were unknown, but they helped me a lot the last year. Those are the people I'll be mentioning. And then we have 2013, how we performed overall as a team, and then I have individual performances. I'm going to be embarrassing a lot of people.
This is report card day.
Can you say that loud? In school they give you like different.
Okay, so for 2013, we had the club structure. So I was captain, Sunny was vice captain. I was the treasurer. And then the BODs were Amar, Rahul, Mayur and Ashish. We didn't had to exercise the BOD powers, so it was pretty good. And then
Beautiful.
and the team selection committee was myself, Sunny and Amar. So if anybody didn't get a chance to play, you can blame it on Sunny and Amar. Because they were in the selection committee. And then scoring and scorecard, there was a lot of work was done. I didn't even have to.
Rahul can have done Rahul did most of it. Zero credit. You did
Alright, so if I miss anybody's name, I'm sorry. I did this slide this morning. I didn't have time.
अरुण ने क्या किया? उसने किया वेबसाइट पे. I mean, okay, that's
Arun
fine.
initially, he helped Mayur initially to set it up.
सरी भैया कौन सा स्कोर कर
So scoring and scorecard, I didn't have to update the score on league website single time. That was a lot of help.
Rahul did
He basically managed the WGCC website. Mayur. He did all the player of the weeks and everything. I took care of the scorecard upload. But on the field, Sitta and Sinu and they were like doing the scoring on the iPad.
So that was really good. Really, I appreciate your help, Rahul. And Sitta and Sinu is not here, so thank you very much. And then our website, I know Arun was maintaining it. Then Mayur started.
phone.
And then we started maintaining
Just
it.
stay for
And
the
we,
CS. It's like the memory gets full or something.
Okay, guys, focus.
so Mayur did an awesome job in maintaining a website. It was always up to date. All the scorecards, stats, and everything were there on time. And he chased people to get their pictures and everything. So it was a big hand to Mayur. And then most of us were kit managers. We did okay job in maintaining kit. All right, everybody check. So 2013 fund. So we started off with a balance of $226. We collected $1,805 as a fee. Tennis ball tournament we collected $200. So this 2,231 was our net collection, and then we spent money. You can see $372 left, which will be zero after this meeting. So it will be
zero
huh?
226,000
So there was
figures are in millions.
So there was some very good or the brilliant ideas at the beginning of the season. Last season we spent a lot of money on the lunch. Every time we buy lunch during our matches, it was like roughly $30–35. So we saved a lot of money, and I think it was Amar's idea to start bringing, and he brought the first lunch in our team, so that was good. We spent this year we had to pay county also. We didn't have to, but we paid just to make sure that we had ground during our matches. So we didn't pay for the entire season, but we paid for some selected matches.
We paid money.
We paid.
$200.
Yeah, we paid about $200.
Good.
So I'm hoping that we'll have to pay next year as well. Okay, tennis ball tournament. So this year we expanded our tennis ball tournament, and there were some good ideas that instead of just collecting money for our club, we should go ahead and collect some money to donate, especially the tragedy that happened in India. So that was a very good idea. And then lots of people worked very hard to make that happen. These were some of the trophies. So we collected $1,700. That was a big amount. And there were a lot of teams participated and helped us. So this is after all the expenses. One thing was we got food from Taja Biswa. I think it was Sinu's idea to get it. So he's not here, but it was good work there. And then we donated $1,500 to IDRF. I have the email. They never sent me the receipt, but I have the email that we sent the money. So I didn't. So $1,500 was a big amount that we collected, and most of the teams in the league, they spent some money. I know HTCC.
All the locals team except TGCC, they contributed.
Yeah, and a lot of our people also contributed from their own pockets. So. Come on. They are some of the people who were there at the end. So there were some nasty pictures also at the end.
Yeah.
Ready to कोन को क्या कर रहा है? तो कोन को क्या कर रहा है?
कौन तो आप पकड़े?
सन्नी को बाहर है.
Can you ask for it?
Okay, alright guys, 2013 team performance. So we ranked 6th in our league stage. First half of the season we didn't do good. As you can see, we only won one match out of 7. One was Rita. So I think they were only 16.6%, so that's pretty low. In the second half, we did pretty good. So we won 5 matches out of 7. We lost 2. Was still pretty good. Winning 71% of your matches is pretty good. Overall, we won like 41%, 45%, I believe. So there were a lot of differences, not differences, there were a lot of changes. They were still the same players, but they played very well. And I also realized that I wasn't doing the right captaincy. I was just going through the standard mode of changing fielder, changing baller. What I realized that when you're in the field of batting or bowling, it's very dynamic, especially when you're fielding. And by the time I realized, I was pretty late. But after doing second season, I realized that how our bowlers are bowling, how they will bowl the first ball or the last ball or mid ball, the middle of the over. So I was knowing pretty much, not 100%, but I knew how they will be bowling. So we were shifting or shuffling the fielding accordingly, who was batting, who was bowling. So, and also those matches were our home ground, so we really had the home advantage there. And you guys performed Pretty good. I mean, you performed throughout. The second half, you guys did very good. So, 16% first half, 71% second half. We should continue with the second half the way that we played. Even if we get this number to 50-55%, we should be good in the top 4.
I'm telling you, start out first half.
Huh? But you, whenever you showed up, we won all those matches.
I'll make sure.
We should make Gava logo, team logo. Always be there.
Sunny mascot.
Sunny, we need someone for clergy.
So wickets taken, we took, in our league stage, we took 105 wickets. That was the highest among all the teams. So well done. And then we lost 110 wickets. That was also the highest. We scored 2,310 runs. That was second to the Steve HPCC, by the way. And then we gave the highest number of runs, 2,606. You see a difference between HPCC at the top of the league. There was 1,000 run difference and about 36 wickets less they lost. So maybe we were not bowling, not fielding well, so we gave 1,000 run more.
Maybe all of our batsmen are getting chances.
There's something to think about, the difference between a champion team and us. Where do we lie? We took a lot of wickets, 105 wickets, which means our bowler have the capability to take wickets. It's just that we were not able to stop runs. And not able to we scored 2,000 runs. Alright.
This is the big,
I don't want to see it.
this is the big issue we have to work on.
So,
After some time we started this, right?
yeah, I think it has.
First time.
So it was Mayur's idea
The
to.
first season. First season, yeah. First.
And these are only the regular league matches, so not T20. So we took 77 catches and dropped 55, which means out of every 10 catches we're dropping 4 and we're taking 6. That's a huge number, and some of these catches were tough, but some of them were really easy. And I remember in PSCC match we dropped Manju. Wasim, he scored a century and we dropped him at least thrice, yeah. And 2 of them were lollipop catches. And that was the reason we lost. And we went there and scored 100. So this is something we need to work on. I mean, we've been working, but still there's a lot of scope.
बीच में मारो ना
बीच पे क्यों मारे? बीच पे तो बीच पे क्यों मारे? एक बात क्यों?
आप बोलते रहो मैं उसको
Alright, so at the beginning of the season, we had targets given to everybody. And
I'll control it from
We
the
should
last
get this
okay. So each one of us have the set of targets in the bowling, batting. I also had a target. My target was to take us to at least qualifier round, which I failed. So I'm not going to discuss that. But each of you had target. I will not be going through your individual target, but except maybe one person. But let's see how we did as an individual person. Sitta.
Looking good, Sitta.
So Sitta didn't get to do a whole lot, but that's not the reflection of his contribution towards the club. He was always there whenever we needed an extra player. Even if he was not playing, he was there to keep the score. In most of the matches, he was always there in the practice session, which is really good, and I really appreciate it. Manoj is not here. He look at his economy rate. I was going to show him, but he's not here. Raghu was a new addition. he did okay. Prashant Dodd is not here. I think he has a lot of potential as a batsman, as a off-spin bowler. He bowled really well in the DDP ground against CTCC match. That was really good bowling. All right. You can guess who is this guy. You can see he's always eating. Alright, so Praddy, I had tough time setting field for Praddy when he was bowling. Okay. So whenever I asked him to bowl on the off stump, he was always bowling on the middle and line. And he was giving some argument. No, this is the right way to do it. Okay. But Praddy, he has matured over the year. He has played really well, and he has a lot of potential as a batsman. And at one instance, he performed exceptionally well.
CLCC last over.
We'll talk about that later. Praddy will work on your economy, and you can compare this with your target. Okay.
Here.
Prashant.
That's too easy.
एक सर्कल में आते ना वरुण का
The guy who's bowling.
He's very serious, okay?
He's up firing his fist.
And I'm not sure where the batsman is looking, but look at Varun's face.
That's how you get wickets.
Alright, so Varun was, he's not here, but he was one of the very good addition to our club. As a new player, he performed really good. Look at his economy rate and the wickets. And he batted really well against CLCC match when we needed him. And they didn't realize they were focusing on Amar, but he kept on scoring. So, good job there. Alright, so
Oh!
Dipen batted very well in two matches, I remember. One is in Kilbourne Park where he scored 50, was very good inning. Very well played. And then one which we'll always remember against CTCC Park, that was awesome. And right when we needed a century, you scored it. That was 118 not out?
Yeah, 180.
That was really well played.
That's good.
He is a good guess.
सर्कल का देना
So Bill is not here, but he is welcome back. I mean, he is a good player, good bowler. He has a good sense of cricket. And he played only half season, but look at how many wickets he took. He took 10 wickets. He is a wicket taker. Yeah, he is a wicket taker. And his batting average is very decent.
He's the batsman.
Yeah,
He can score.
you can count on him. Yeah.
And don't forget the catches. Only he can put.
I got but you can guess, this guy only bats in two modes, on and off. Either he'll defend all the balls or he'll hit.
Oh, Shami.
इसके लिए प्राइज होना चाहिए
So Shami, as we know, Shami is also a wicket-taking bowler, and whenever I was trying to replace him with some other bowler, he always say, "Prashant ji, आप मुझे bowling दें." And in one match he did ask, and he performed really well. That's our last match, we were defending 125. He bowled really well.
किसी को वोट किया है कौन सा
बहुत बोल मारे उसने. So Shami is our highest wicket taker. So by that number he is our best bowler. And his batting average is pretty. So the DDP 95 that he scored, he hit them all over the park. That was really good batting.
Just be over.
Shanti.
Sinu boy! Sinu! Okay, okay.
You know what? He got it on the अच्छा one is in.
So Sinu got hit on his nose in the Reedy Creek Park, and his nose was all swollen.
Fiona.
That's why we call him Fiona. So Sinu's batting really improved this year. He batted the top order and really batted, especially in the first half of the season. He batted really good. In the second half, he was kind of maybe overconfident or losing some confidence. So, and he is our best fielder by number of catches, stumpings, and 3 outs. So he will be getting the best fielder award.
Leak का ना? Treasure.
So Rahul,
TLCC का.
राहुल कुछ फंडे देना मुझे कैसे पैसे संभाले जाए और आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग.
पहले राज्यसभा का अब तो लोकसभा का.
EC मेंबर है हमारे बीच. Rahul, first half of the season, Rahul was kind of okay. And then he was pretty much coming one down and not being able to score runs. So in the second half, we moved him a little his order back. And then he scored run. And there was some good inning against CLCC. He scored 65, I believe.
That's after tennis ball tournament.
Yeah, so he has good potential. Even in the T20, he's the highest run scorer, 103 runs. So
Yeah.
T20 he will be
Next.
Oh,
Yeah, it has to be me.
It's
मेरे पास टिकट है
you. It's you. I saw your shirt. Has to be.
So Amar this year moved up a batting order a little bit and performed really well. Not just batting and bowling also. He's almost there with Shami with 14 wickets.
yeah.
And the economy rate is very good, 6.34. Well, everybody got hit pretty hard. I mean, and the batting average is roughly 20 runs. And some of the batting that you did against CLCC in their ground.
Both games, yeah.
Yeah, both games. Second time you realized that you had to stay back and let that all the way. So that was really good.
It's bubble.
सही
It's
है यार.
bubble.
Don.
गावा.
Where you go? Don.
गावा.
Sunny.
Okay, so for his person, I'll show his target that was given. Mayur. It has to be Mayur. If you're showing the target, it has to be Mayur. And then how well he performed, he overdid his target, at least in batting. So in 2012, Mayur's batting average was 40 and he took 14 wickets with 5.36. So in 2000, I gave him the range of between 40 and 50, to 18 to 22 wickets and between 5 and 6 economy range. Let's see how it did. So 51.88 is a very good batting average. At the same time, he took 13 wickets with the economy rate, which is really good, 4.33. And he was man of the match in our team, WCC, 6 times this season. So good job. Now let's see who's there.
Keep it going. Oh, Don to
चले गए
फोटो भी दिखाएंगे ना
हम